to my channel, Fun and All. In the previous video, I showed you how to make some Vietnamese iced coffee, which was absolutely delish. Now, let's make something that we can eat with it. How about making some eggless chocolate cake in your coffee mug in just 2 minutes? Put down the main ingredients. So, what we need for this recipe is 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. And we need exactly half of it, or 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We will add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients well, and then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Now, time for the 1 teaspoon melted butter. Now, add the 1/4 cup condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk, you can always use 1/4 cup of milk and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. She woke up too. This is my baby sister, Kyra. Do you want to help us make cake for our family?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell them that for now we have to stir it up well and add a few chocolate chips.
Woohoo! That's so cool.
Thank you.
I want to put some chocolate chip.
You want to put a chocolate chip in there?
Huh.
Put it in there. Okay, now you got to stir it up.
Make it.
Good job. Let me help you.
Is it done?
Almost. Now we have to cook it.
Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's put some more chocolate in them.
Okay, let's put a few more. Here, do you want to put them in?
Yeah.
It's all right. Okay, now stir it up. Faster. Goody.
Ooh, done.
I know, right? Well, we have to put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. Let's go. Now let's see the magic happen.
I can flash. Yes. You can smash.
Who made a mess?
This one, and this one. Everybody got dirty. Wait.
Almost done. I can't wait. Oh my gosh! The cake's ready within 2 minutes. That looks awesome. You want to taste it? It might be a little hot, but I think you can handle it.
I don't like
It's awesome! Hope you guys liked and enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to comment down below. Please do try it at home. It is absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thanks. Bye.